my non-stop burning. Curb block, whiskey in the teapot. Heaven, burning like a lane be great. Heavenly body, only music can define you. When it sounds like
Yan na yun.
yes sir,
Chorus na lang.
yes sir. Okay everyone, wala akong lumalalim ng gabi. Sing with me, let's go. Coffee in a bar, in a goose. A bottle of midnight jack, only that's good. Ang minsan sa mga palagi, ang mituluhin na sa'yo na ari. Mag-check! A pretty, pretty lady, big bang doesn't make sense. I see ya in the venues, Maria. Ang himalin sa'yo'y bibig. Okay, but yung mga Friday isn't suking nothing. I love every part of you. Can we slow down? You know I don't wanna miss a thing. Ibigay kay drama sa teatrong buhay limitado. Bawat kisang tamat, ikaw walang oo. Hudson, Brown, check it, oh baby, pretty, pretty lady. Come on now, when you're crying. Gusto kong bigay ng isang gift sa inyo lahat. Na exclusively sa inyo lang, everyone. Gusto ko yung bigyan ng spoiler ngayong gabi. Game, game! Game! Okay, listen. The spoiler for tonight is... Ready? The spoiler for tonight is... Get ready for Neo and Dianella this year. That's one. That's one. Okay. Yun na yun. Gift ko sa inyo, bro. Man, okay. Alam niyo po, lahat ng pinuntahan naming lugar, kinanta tong song na to ng sobrang lakas. Like, sobrang lakas. And naniniwala kasi ako na no one and nothing is beyond love. Lahat ng naman nandito ay marunong magmahal. Agree? Walang matigas sa pagmamahal. Kahit gangster ka, marunong ka rin magmahal. Agree? Agree? Yes, sir. Now listen. If ever na na-in-love ka na sa isang tao o minahal ka na ng isang tao before, you're gonna sing this song as loud as you can. Makakaasa ba ako, mga kaibigan? Yes, sir. I'm counting on you guys. Sa harap ng apply, everyone. Let's do it. 1, 2, let's go! Marinda. Beautiful. What? That's right. Ang himalis sa iyo,